Okay, so you need to bake this at 350 degrees Celsius. It was already preheated for 20 to 25 minutes. You saw the casserole. I'm going to show you how we are going to celebrate it. This is my Christmas tree and this is what I could do here when I am in US. Hi everyone, a very good morning to all of you and welcome to another Terrific Tuesday vlog. It's Christmas time and today is Christmas, so Merry Christmas to all of you. As you guys might have already seen, my Christmas tree is already decorated because in the US and of course across the world, they usually do it starting from Thanksgiving. So from Thanksgiving they start decorating the houses and there are lights all around. So that is how these people do it, and I also did it during Thanksgiving and we hosted a Thanksgiving party. I hope you guys have watched it in my vlog already, but I today plan to do some more decoration around and I plan to cook something good. I have already, yesterday me and my roommate, we made some brownies. So that I'm going to show you, and I plan to do a little more decoration, cook some good food and have a good time. So here it's holiday season, so usually you would not find a lot of crowd outside, but yeah, you would find lights across. So these are the brownies that we made yesterday. They came out really well, like the taste is really good, but like they did not come out really well. Like don't go with the plating that the way it has been done, but they were really awesome. These ones are, I think, yeah, these ones are choco chip. It's bittersweet choco chip, Hershey's, and this has Hershey's chocolate. So this is what we did yesterday itself. So yeah, so the plan is I'm just getting my cup of hot water, and I think it's raining in Boston. I wanted it to snow, not rain. Let's check out what's happening. I think it's raining. I can hear it some noise. Oh yes, I think it's raining out here. Oh my goodness, yes. So instead of a white Christmas, it's going to be a rainy Christmas in Boston. Now I'm worried, how am I going to go in the evening and check out all the lighting? So if you can see, it's raining really heavily. So I recently came to know that it's been 12 years since Boston has had white Christmas. White Christmas as in on the day of the Christmas there is a snowfall, but no, we are not having it this year. Instead it's going to be rainy. But it looks very fresh and beautiful, if you can see. Very pleasant, fresh and beautiful. It's 11:15 AM in the morning and this is live from Boston. You guys have already seen my Christmas tree. This is my Christmas tree. I plan to redo it a little bit because it's been a month I have decorated it during Thanksgiving, and I plan to do some decoration around and also cook good food. So that's the plan for today. So in the evening we just went out and just to see the lights, and you are going to see right now after this. Everything was lit up and it looked so beautiful, so pretty. So right now it's already evening. My Christmas tree is lit up. I'll quickly show you after this. And what we are planning to do is I'm making casserole. Okay, so usually here in Christmas people prepare eggnog and turkey and whatnot, but I am a vegetarian, so I found this dish that so I'm making a gravy, like the sauce of spinach and tomato along with a lot of onion and garlic. And I am going to put in some veggies in there and load it with cheese, and I'm going to make some casserole. So preparations are going on for the casserole. Once that is done, brownies I already showed you, so that's going to be the dinner: casserole, brownies, and we have the fireplace. Today it's not that cold, so we are not planning to actually light up the fireplace. That depends still. We'll just see if we want to. And the Christmas tree is lit up. We'll have a nice dinner. I have 3-4 people coming up, so it's a very small group, 5 of us, and we are going to celebrate Christmas in our own small way. So this is the spaghetti that we made, and right now I'm preparing casserole, and once that is done, our dinner will be ready. Okay, so you need to bake this at 350 degrees Celsius. It was already preheated for 20 to 25 minutes, and then we are good to go. So here is my piping hot casserole and it's ready. So we are almost ready for dinner. I will serve the dinner and that's it. Hi everyone. So yes, the dinner as you saw is ready. We are just going to start our dinner, like start eating our dinner, and this is my Christmas tree. As you guys already saw, I have lit some candles here. So I told you at the start of the vlog that for Christmas I've always had lot of stories. Like I was in St. Xavier's back in like Mumbai in my school, and we always used to have like, you know, a lot of fun during Christmas, decorating star and having those Christmas tree decorations and classroom decorations. And then when I moved into my college and corporate, so I got associated with Sounds of Silence, which is an NGO based out of Mumbai, and that caters to the hearing impaired community. So people who can't speak, people who can't listen. And for I think 3 years I got an opportunity to be with them and you know, organize a event which is called as the 100 Santas event that we used to do every year on Christmas, like till last year. This year also it's happening, but it's virtually, and since I'm here, so I know it is happening, but you know, I did not get that much time to get involved with it. So what we used to do is there used to be 100 Santa Clauses, and they used to be dressed in all Santa Claus costumes, and we used to give 10,000 gifts all across Mumbai. So that is what we used to do on Christmas. It's called Sounds of Silence Foundation. So if you guys are in Mumbai and are interested, you can get in touch with them. And the whole idea, the whole organization was so amazing that, you know, we used to collect all those gifts, we used to wrap them, and the entire process, like, you know, for 10 to 15 days, it used to be amazing. And you know, when you see that smile on the faces of all the underprivileged kids across Bandra, Mahim, Chembur and all the area across, it used to be amazing. So that is that is why Christmas has been so special for me. And I told you that, you know, every year I used to get a gift from my dad, who tells me still that, you know, there is a Santa Claus who comes and who gives you gifts. So this year also I'm awaiting his gift. He told me that, you know, your Santa Claus is going to give you a gift and it's going to come in 2 to 3 days. So yes, so I've always had a very good Christmas story and I wanted to recreate it today. You saw the casserole. I'm going to show you how we are going to celebrate it. This is my Christmas tree and this is what I could do here when I am in US. You saw all the wonderful lightings that I showed you. So hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Wish you a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. This is Aishwarya signing off. Drop down in comments and let me know that, you know, what has been your favorite Christmas memory, and share this vlog if you enjoyed it. Also do click on the subscribe button and there is a bell icon there. If you click on that, you will get daily notifications. Okay, one surprise thing which I'm going to tell you, I'm going to come up with another vlog series. Okay, it's mostly a video series. It's a surprise thing and it's mostly related around MBA, since I'm going to get done with my MBA. So wait for it. As the new year begins, I'm going to launch some vlogs onto that. And thank you all for your extended support. This year has been amazing. This is the year I started vlogging and I have got around about 160-165 subscribers, and I have not been doing vlogging like very seriously or, you know, on a daily basis. But thank you all for the love and support, and I hope to get that all the love and support in the coming year. Wish you a very happy new year. Bye bye. This is Aishwarya signing off.